Hello Lord of the Rings Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to another video. Today's going to be a different kind of video as I'm found online here on Weta Workshop some stuff that had come up for the 20th anniversary for Return of the King. And there are some new statues and all that kind of stuff that just popped up and I'd like to show you here. So as you can see here, we have the Coronation Arwen Evenstar and Aragorn, which becomes King Elazar. And really, I am so getting these two statues just over time because it's crazy here for shipping and all that kind of stuff. But I wanted to show you some of these statues up close here. I'm sure some of you have seen this. So yeah, let's click on here actually. So as you can see, don't mind me in the reflection there. Very beautiful. I love her headdress. Different pictures going all the way around. Just I love her headdress and everything about Arwen in this. Very cool. And her likeness of Liv Tyler playing Arwen is, I think, pretty darn good on this. And then over here, as you can see there, she just weighs, the weight is over 5 pounds and it is 8.2 inches wide, just over 13 inches high, and just over 8 inches depth. So, and it is a 1/6 scale, which is pretty cool. I think we've all been waiting for this one of Arwen. Okay, and let's go back. Next is that we have King Elazar. Let's click on him. And as you can see, this one I've been anticipating for a long time because I have a spot which I want to have him with my King section. And he's for $3.99 as well. And he's on pre-order right now. Same with Arwen. Look down here. This one here is 8.2 inches wide at just over 13 inches high again. 8.2 inches in depth as well. So, and again, this is a 1/6 scale statue, which I think is a very cool statue. I mean, like I said, I've been waiting for this one for a long time because I've been wanting a King Elazar for my statue display. And there's a couple more items that I want to show you here. And as you can see, they had brought out a Grey Havens print, and it is by Ben Wooten. I cannot wait to get this print. I absolutely love this one. And it is $49.99. This is on Weta Workshop. And let's see what the dimensions were. This is 23.22, just under 2 feet wide, and just under 12 feet, or not 12 feet, a foot high. And you can see, as you can see there, and it hardly weighs anything. And fourth item that they brought out was Farmer's Charge print. And again, it's $49.99. It's on pre-order. And it's the same dimensions as the other print there. So it's gonna be, I can't wait. I have a whole line of these prints. I can't wait to get them all framed and get this one especially, and all that. So it's gonna be pretty cool getting this one as well. And lastly, what they brought out for the 20th anniversary was this tea towel, which I think is pretty cool. It's $14.99. Here's a full-on view, which I think is very, very cool. This is awesome. So as you can see, there's quite a few items there. They brought out for Return of the King for the 20th anniversary. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day.